Does it say live streaming again?
It
Ma'am.
does, Judge.
Okay, so now, Ms. Cameron, are you ready to proceed with Ms. Thomas?
I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Edwards,
Yes, Your Honor.
would you, let's see. Would you would you read the charges for Ms. Thomas? For some
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Case number SP 107-53311, State of Michigan versus Damika Lynn Thomas, unregistered motor vehicle. Case number SP 107-53312, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 61691, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 108-61692, improper plates. SP 108-61693, unregistered motor vehicle.
Are those all of the charges that you have, Ms. Cameron?
They are, Your Honor.
Okay. And today is the date and time set for, is it a pretrial?
Arraignment on bench warrants.
Okay, so I don't have well, I may have it, but it's not on the list, so I'm trying to. Okay, so it's arraignment on the bench warrant. And what do you wish, and what do you wish to do at this time?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Thomas. At this time, we'd move and ask the court to remove the bench warrants and set them aside at this time.
Bench warrants to set aside.
As to the arraignment, we'll waive the full reading of the complaint and warrants and stand mute to the charges.
Court will enter a plea of not guilty.
Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to avail herself of the recommendation to plead to one count of improper plates that would be on SP 108-61692. The balance of the tickets will be dismissed pursuant to Corporation Counsel recommendation. We'll stipulate the probable cause on the balance of the tickets.
Okay. And your name for the record, Ms. Thomas?
Damika Thomas.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, you have had an opportunity to speak with your attorney regarding these matters that has just been put on the record.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you wish to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation of the Corporation Counsel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Has anyone promised, well, would you raise your right hand? This one. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, has anyone promised you anything or threatened you to get you to enter this plea?
No.
You are entering this plea freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
And you're entering this plea because you are guilty?
Yes.
Counsel.
Yes, Judge.
You have the ticket. Can you just state, well, actually, Miss, well, you can on that date, take the factual basis.
Factual basis. Thank you. Ms. Thomas, on the date and time on the ticket, was it true that you had a vehicle that was being parked on a public street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, Counsel, I do need
And
the
is
date.
it true that
Counsel, I do need the date.
I don't have the date, Your
Oh,
Honor.
okay, Miss,
I don't have the date. I only
I'm sorry, Miss Edwards. Miss Edwards,
Yes, Your Honor.
could you state on the date and time of the ticket? Which ticket are we referring to right now?
SP 108.
Okay, would you put the date and place?
Yes, Your Honor. May 22nd, 2020, at approximately 9:48 a.m.
And the
on
place
Avon Street and Fargo Street.
near Fargo Street. Okay. Was that where you were, Ms. Thomas?
Yes.
Okay. Then you could proceed, Ms. Cameron.
Thank you. On that date and time, did you have a vehicle that was parked on a public street? Is that correct?
Yes.
And is it true, ma'am, that you did not have proper plates on that vehicle on that date and time? Is that correct?
Yes.
We ask the court to accept the plea.
Okay. Court will accept the guilty plea and the recommendation of the Assistant Corporation Counsel and dismiss the other two tickets that have been stated on the record. Counsel, is there anything you wish to state further before the court imposes the sentence?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, the court is going to suspend sentence on your, well, the court is not going to assess any fines and costs due to the pandemic. And so you have no fines and costs to pay. Is there any Secretary of State reinstatement fees, Ms. Edwards?
Yeah, yes, I'm
Yes,
sure there
Your Honor.
will be, Judge.
Yes,
Yes.
you'll have to, no fines and costs to the court, but you will have to pay the Secretary of State's reinstatement fee for your license that they assess. So that you would have to take care of, but no fines and costs as to the ticket itself. Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else, Ms. Cameron?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. All right, you're all set, Ms. Thomas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You do the same. You're free to leave. Miss Cameron, we have a court appointed interpreter for Mr. ALRIFAEE. So
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to send you and him, and I think his daughter was on the phone as well. But I'm going to send you all into the breakout room. So,
Judge, just to let you know, we cannot resolve that today because there's a state of emergency matter that's scheduled today, and that cannot be resolved. So we were just going to ask that those matters be set either for a pretrial date or a trial date at the court's discretion.
okay, so we'll just arraign. We'll just do the arraignment then. Would that make sense?
That would be fine. Yes, I believe that's the best thing to do, Judge. Yes.
So you don't need to, but do you need to talk with him before so he understands what is going on?
We can do that. We can go in the breakout room and
Okay.
and I can tell him that. Yes.
Okay,
Judge.
well, let's do that and then we'll come back. So I'm going to put you all in breakout room 1 again. Let's see. Okay, let's try this again. And okay, and we had Miss Cameron and the interpreter. Daughter, is the daughter still on the line?
I don't see her,
Yeah.
Judge, on the list.
Okay, what's
Yeah,
your,
I'm next to him. I'm sorry, I'm next to him. My phone disconnected. That's why.
okay, so you are with him anyway. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
next to him.
so
Yep.
okay, we're getting ready to send you in the breakout room, and when you see it on, you can press I think we can do this there on the phone. You can press join, I guess. I'm not sure with them on the phone. Okay, I'm gonna try it and we'll see what happens here.
Okay.
Okay. Miss Cameron, are you in? Okay. For some reason, you're not in. Okay. Is everybody gone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're getting there. So,
I'm here. If you hear me, excuse me.
Mr. Hussein.
Yes, Ajalawi.
Oh, okay. You're okay. We have you here. So we'll take care of you when we need the court appointed attorney to speak with you. And then we also have Mr. Turner. The court appointed attorney will speak with you as well. So we're getting there. Just
Don't tell me how long it's gonna be time.
I cannot say, sir. I really wish I could, but again, as soon as we can, we will get back with you just as soon. So thank you for your patience today.
Thank you.
And Mary,
Yes,
this Denise is Officer Bennett in there.
Yes.
yes.
Hi, Bennett.
Hey, Denise.
We still live on YouTube, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Mary. All right. All right. I'm about to mute myself.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'm logged back in. Do you still need me?
Yes, because I think Miss Cameron is about to leave.
Okay, then I'm here. I got it straight now. I'm logged in. It kept knocking me out. Okay, I'm good.
Miss Perkins Moore? This
Yes,
is
Your
Judge
Honor.
Bright.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you here on as court appointed?
Yes, I am House Counsel.
So you can take someone, is that correct?
That is correct. I am ready. My Zoom is up and running. And
Okay.
she said, Cameron, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to, I think I can assign you and Mr. Okay, let me get him back on. Wait a minute, let me figure this out. Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner, would you unmute yourself? Okay, I am going to try and assign you to a breakout room with Attorney Perkins Moore. Do you have Miss Perkins Moore, do you have the recommendations from Assistant Corporation Counsel?
I believe that was the one they sent this morning. Yes.
For Mr. Turner, for Cleveland Turner.
Okay, so it's looking here. Offers. Yes, I do.
Okay, so then I'm going to assign you to room number 2. Mr. Turner, you'll go into room number 2. And can you go into 2? Join now. Okay, and you all are back, Miss
Yes, Judge.
Cameron. Okay,
You-
so
Yes, Judge.
so are you ready to proceed?
We are ready to proceed, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, this is case number
Your Honor, if you may, I don't see the defendant.
Okay, did we lose the defendant?
It seems that way.
Ah,
Oh, for God. Let me see. Hussein. Oh,
is it Hussein? No, it's not Hussein. It's wait a minute.
no.
Hold on. They're not still in the room, are they? Did they come out of the room? I see, he look like he's still in the room. How do I get him out of the room?
I'll go in and tell him to come out.
Okay,
If I can
thanks.
get back. Let's see. Yeah,
Can you? Were you able to get him?
Yes, I spoke with him and told him to leave and come into the courtroom.
Okay. Don't have
And
him.
after we do this matter, Your Honor, I'm going to step out and do another matter at 11 o'clock, and I'll be back. I see
Okay.
Ms. Perkins is here.
Yeah, Miss Perkins Moore is here. She's speaking to
Okay.
another one of the. Okay, but we still don't have the defendant. Oh, nope. Okay. We still don't have the defendant.
Your Honor,
All right.
sometimes when they're on the phone and they're in the breakout room, they have to hang up and call back in.
Okay. Do you think they're doing that?
Hopefully, but that's what they usually that's what they have to do. If
Thank
they're
you,
on the
Miss.
phone,
Here, I think this is him.
yeah, that's probably them.
All right. Is this Mr. Al Rafia?
هل أنت
نعم.
السيد الرفاعي
Yes.
أنت معنا؟
نعم.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So first I will ask for the interpreter to raise your right hand and be sworn in.
Sure, Your Honor.
And your name for the record?
Joseph Hermes, as it appears on my photo there, a qualified court interpreter in the Arabic language.
Mr. Hermes, do you swear to interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your
Yes.
Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Cameron, I will proceed then. Mr. Al Rafia?
Yes.
Okay. This is case number C4851321. The charge is state of emergency violation. Also, there's C4851322. The charge is offered to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Both are misdemeanors scheduled for an arraignment today. Counsel?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Al-Frazi.
And your name for the record, sir, again?
Yeah, sure. Joseph
No,
Hermes.
Mr. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to interpret. I'm sorry.
Okay, Your Honor. السيد الرفاعي قول اسمك للمحكمة.
أحمد يونس الرفاعي.
أحمد يونس الرفاعي.
Okay, and I'm sorry, Mr. Interpreter, Mr. Hermes, I need to read the case names again, and you need to interpret along with me, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, you need to read these to him as well. This is case number C4851321.
هاي القضية هي رقم س 4851321.
The charge is violation state of emergency order.
والمخالفة هي أنت خالفت قوانين حالات الطوارئ.
There's also case number C4851322.
وأيضا قضية س 4851322.
And the charge is offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution.
والتهمة هي الموجهة لك الثانية هي العرض للمداخلة الجنسية والدعارة.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on both matters.
اليوم هو تاريخ وموعد توجيه التهمة لك في القضيتين.
Counsel.
سيدة
Yes,
المحامية.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ahmad Al-Rafri.
أنا سيدة ميليندا كامرون، أنا المحامية تبعه من في هاي القضية في القضيتين.
At this time, we will stand mute.
في الوقت الحالي احنا نكون واقفين ساكتين.
We will waive the formal reading of the complaint and warrant.
ونتجنب قراءة التهمتين الرسميتين في هذا الموضوع.
And request the court to enter a not guilty plea.
ونطلب من المحكمة أن تقول أنه في الوقت الحاضر هو الشخص المتهم غير مذنب.
And schedule this matter for a pre-trial date.
ونحاول أن نأخذ موعد للجلسة قبل المحاكمة في المستقبل.
Court will enter a plea of not guilty as to both matters and set this matter for a pretrial date. Ms. Edwards, do we have any pretrial dates available?
Yes, Your Honor. March 30th.
وراح نقدم القضيتين راح ننظر فيهم في جلسة قادمة، والموعد هو 30 الشهر الثالث في هذه السنة.
At what time, Ms. Edwards?
8:30, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will set the pretrials for March 30th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m.
والمحكمة راح تحدد يوم تاريخ 30 الشهر الثالث في الساعة 8:30.
As to bond, counsel?
Your Honor, given the fact that he has appeared today, we're asking the court to set a personal bond in this matter.
في الوقت الحاضر من ناحية الكفالة المحامية تقول أنه نضع كفالة شخصية فقط لأنه هو حضر المحكمة اليوم.
And the court will release on a personal bond for each matter in this matter. No money to be posted.
والمحكمة راح تقبل أنه تكون بس الكفالة الشخصية، ما في لزوم، ما في داعي لأي مصاري تنحط لتعمل الكفالة.
Is there anything
Thank you, Your Honor.
counsel?
في أي شيء آخر السيدة المحامية؟ لا.
فيني أحط شغلة بس على السريع؟
I don't know. Were you talking to your father or I couldn't hear you?
Yeah, I was talking to you. بحكي معك عشان أبوي بس إذا بقى wanna add something.
I want to talk to you if my dad wants to add something.
Not
sorry.
regarding
First
the charges today.
Pardon me?
I said not regarding the charges today, no.
لا بالوقت الحالي لا، اليوم بس وجهوا عليك التهمة عزيزي، ما في لزوم تتكلم، المحامية تقول.
Okay.
And for the record, your name again, ma'am?
والسجل المحكمة فيك تقولي اسمك كمان البنت؟
نعم، سمية كتب.
Could you spell that, please?
فيك تتهجيهم؟
I'm sorry, Sumaya. Last name is Q-U-T is in Todd, O-B is in boy.
And you are the daughter of the defendant, Mr. Al-Rafia. Is that correct?
Yes, my own.
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you. Yes, he will be able to speak with the attorney at a later date, unless you are, I'm sorry, we are speaking. He needs to understand this. Uh, he will be able to speak with the attorney at a later date unless you also are hiring your own attorney, but if not, okay, go on.
في المستقبل في هو بيقدر يتكلم مع المحامية تبعه، أو إذا بيحب هو يوكل محامي خاص له في المستقبل.
نعم تمام. Yeah.
Yes, it's understood.
Okay. All right. So everyone has the court date of March 30th, 2021, 8:30 for the pretrial. So you are free to go, Mr. Al Rafi. Have a good day.
فأنت تقدر تروح. خلصت السيد الرفاعي. يوم سعيد. وعرفت الموعد هو 30/3 الساعة 8:30.
Okay, my
Yes.
honor, just want to make sure how my dad's gonna contact his lawyer. There's a phone number, or just like she's gonna call him or something.
I'm not assigned to your case, ma'am. You will have an attorney on that date unless you want to retain your own attorney.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay.
you all, and thank
Your
you, Mr.
if I may-
Hermes.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Judge. You have a
Ms.
wonderful
Cameron?
day.
You do the same. Mrs. Cameron, thank you very much.
Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you.
All right, I think
Thank you.
we only have, just have one? Hold on, Miss. Oh, I was gonna tell her, just hold on. Okay, so now we have Mr. Turner. Is that, would you
Correct.
unmute? Okay, so Miss Perkins Moore, I'm sorry, I keep, so Mr. Turner, are we ready to proceed on his matter set for pretrial and hearing today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is case number SP 108-27981. The charge is leaving the scene of a property damage accident. Count 2, SP 108-27982. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle, driver. Both are misdemeanors. There's also SP 108-27971. Accident. I'm not sure what that reads. Miss Edwards,
Yes, Your Honor.
could you read the charge for the 7-1? I'm not sure. It says accident. That's all. I'm not sure what it's.
Oh, it says accident, drive failed to use due care and caution.
Okay, and that is a civil infraction. Is that correct? Okay, and that matter would be set for a hearing. Counsel, your appearance.
Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of the defendant. He wishes to continue his plea of not guilty and is requesting a bench trial in this matter, Your Honor.
Okay. And your name for the record, sir?
Cleveland Turner.
Okay. And you have had an opportunity to speak with your attorney regarding this pretrial matter. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So it is my understanding that you wish to
Thank you, Your Honor.
enter a plea of not guilty, and the court will do that. And also set this matter for a trial, as well as the civil infraction for a formal hearing on what date do we have?
March 30th, Your Honor.
March 30th. March 30th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Okay, and was there a bond?
Did you post a bond, Mr. Turner? Did you post any money?
No.
Okay.
Okay, court will continue on a personal bond for each matter for the 2 misdemeanors. There's no bond for the civil infraction. So personal bond for Mr. Turner in this matter. Is there anything else at this time, Consul?
Nothing.
Okay. Mr. Turner, are you good?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for your patience, Mr. Turner, today. Next time it will move along much quicker. We will set that. It has been set, and you are all set, Mr. Turner. You are free to leave.
Okay,
Have
thank
a
you.
good afternoon. Thank you.
Bye, Mike.
Bye-bye.
Judge, I told me you look like Mike Tyson.
Okay, take care now.
Okay, y'all too.
All right. So now we have, you're all set, Mr. Okay, so we have Mr. Hussein, and I'm sorry, I see a Mr. Ashman. Would you unmute yourself, sir? Hold on.
Yes.
And you are here for,
I was just sent over by Judge Garrett. I was supposed to appear before her, but she said that you swapped courtrooms or something like that.
oh, yes, okay. So you'll just have to hold on and you'll be able to speak with the attorney, Mr. Hussein. She's going to speak with Mr. Hussein, and then she'll speak with you, okay?
Okay.
You can mute yourself again. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, Mr. Hussein, I'm going
Yes.
to send you into the breakout room. Wait a minute. To speak with Attorney Perkins Moore. So let me.
I don't have any offers or anything.
Oh, for
yeah.
Mr. Hussein?
Yes, I don't. For neither one, Hussein or Ashman.
Okay, wait a minute. Is that your first name? What's your last name, sir?
Al-Jalawi?
Okay, do you have for Al-Jalawi?
Yes. Hussein
Wait.
Al-Jalawi?
Okay, hold on. Miss Moore, you don't have that under that name?
No.
Miss Edwards, did we have something for Mr. Al-Jalawi? Miss Edwards?
The plea officer states, Ms. Moore, if he pleads guilty, they'll reduce it to a proper place.
Okay. The original charge is what? Is no license?
No insurance.
Oh,
No
no.
insurance,
Okay.
Misdemeanor. Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, and so we're going to send you to speak with the attorney. Press join once you see it, Mr. Al-Jalawi. Okay, you're all set. Do you see it?
It's here, right?
No, you didn't press it. Did you press the
Yeah, I press it.
join? Okay. He is gone. Now, Mr. I can spell your last name again, sir? Oh, I'm Mr. Ashman. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just looking for you. I don't see you. Miss Edwards. Oh, I see his name. Okay, I see his name. I see his name. Right. Okay, I was looking down at the 10 o'clock. All right. We'll again, once the attorney has finished with the other person, we will get you in to talk with her.
Okay.
You can put it back on mute. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes, Ms. Perkins.
Yes, Mr. Jelani is ready to take a plea, Your Honor.
Okay, we don't have him. He needs to come out.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Okay, so now.
Did he come back?
Yes,
Yeah,
we
I'm
have
here.
Miss. Okay, so we are ready to proceed on Mr. Al Jalawi. This is case number 20-482-0701. The charge is no insurance, operating motor vehicle with no insurance, misdemeanor, scheduled for a pretrial today. Counsel?
Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. He wishes to tender a plea, but he would indicate to the court that he does have the insurance coverage and he does have it to present today. But if the court is not inclined to dismiss it upon presentment of that, then he will be willing to plead to the improper plate so he won't get any points.
Mr. Hussein, I'm sorry, Mr. Al Jalawi, your name for the record, please.
Hussein Jalawi.
Okay, and you have had an opportunity to speak with the attorney, Ms. Perkins Moore. You have to say yes or no, sir, for the record.
Yes, yes.
And you understand what she has just stated on the record?
Yes, yes.
And do you understand that you do have a right to a trial in this matter?
Yep.
You have to say yes or no, sir, for the record. And by
Yes.
entering a plea, you are giving up that right to a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to enter this plea?
I promise. Yep.
No,
Yes.
listen, sir. Has anyone promised you anything?
Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay. Has
Yep.
anyone threatened you to get you to enter this plea?
No.
You are entering this plea freely and voluntarily.
Yep. Yes.
And you're entering the plea because, okay, you are entering freely and voluntarily. You've answered that. Okay, so would you raise your right hand, sir, and be sworn in? Do you swear affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, sir?
Yeah, I swear.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Al-Jalawi on, okay. Miss Edwards, could you read that for me, please? The date and time and place of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor. The offense date is March 13th, 2020 at approximately 8 p.m. on Grand River in Woodward.
Were you on that date and time at that location, Mr. Al-Jawi?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle with improper plates? Was that that was the
Insurance.
offer?
No
Insurance.
Oh,
Insurance.
with no insurance. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm already. You hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm already told officer I do have insurance, but he gave me a ticket. He said I have to be in a court date and show like we have insurance. I have my paperwork right now. If you want to see, I'll show you this day I have insurance.
Okay, but at the
Forgotten
time you were stopped, you were not able to produce any
Yes.
insurance. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Counsel, can you show me what it is you have, sir?
All right. So
You need to put it up to the screen so I can see it.
that's what I'm doing. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate it. I can turn it here. See, this is my insurance.
Wait a minute.
Insurance.
Hold on. Let me be able to see. Like, first of all, let me see Premier Insurance. Okay, let me see. Nope. You're moving too fast. Is this the same sheet? Okay. Wait a minute. What happened? We lost them. Oh, it's up here. Okay. Wait a minute, Mr. Hussein. I need to. I'm trying to figure out how I can enlarge this here. Nope. Okay. I'm not doing this is not doing what I needed to do. I can't read. Okay, I can't read. I can't make that out. I can see the date. No, I need to see the actual. I need to see the actual insurance form. I need to see the form itself.
Here, this one.
Okay, but again, the screen view is very limited, so I'm trying to.
Here, you see.
And what date was the ticket issued on?
I think it is
Miss Edwards again.
12.
Wait a minute, hold on,
March 12.
Mr. Alger. Hold on, sir. Miss Edwards.
I'm sorry.
What date?
March 13th, Your Honor.
Of
2020.
what? Okay.
2020.
The ticket was issued on that date.
Yes.
Did it say what time?
8 o'clock p.m.
Okay, so Mr. Al-Jawawi, what you're showing me shows that this was in, wait a minute, and move it some more. I can't tell when you got it, sir. Okay, let me see the receipt.
This is a receipt.
No, that's not the receipt. What you showed me, the first document you showed me.
First document. Okay, very good.
That's the receipt.
All right.
Push it up to the screen better. I can't. No, take it back some. I can't see what.
All right.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, and I can't see it. I can't.
You see,
I
you
can't
see
make
right
it.
now.
Push it up some. Okay. Okay, Mr. Al-Jawi, I'm going to accept that the plea, but I can't dismiss it. I can amend it to the improper plates, which is no point violation.
All right.
It's no point violation, and I am dismissing the. No, you only have one. I'm accepting the plea, amending it to improper plates, and I'm not assessing any fines and costs, sir.
Okay.
At this time, I see that you did get the insurance. So no fines and costs will be assessed today. And I don't think there's no other cost to the Secretary of State. Is that correct, Ms. Edwards?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so you are all set, sir. Case has been amended to improper plates, no points, and no fines and costs.
So I have to I want to understand. So I have to pay something, or is
I
dismissed?
said no. You have nothing to pay. You are zero.
Is dismissed it? Is
no,
dismissed it?
I assess you no fines and costs. You didn't. I didn't assess any monies to you. So no money. No money is owed, sir.
But I know, but it's not going to my record. It's not show because I'm a trucker driver. You know what I'm saying?
The first thing I indicated, sir, is that it is a no point violation. No, it will not show any points or anything on your record.
All right.
Zero.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I'm done right
then.
now. All right. Appreciate
yes,
it.
You're all
Thank you.
set then. Thank you
so
for
much.
your
Appreciate
patience
it.
today.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So someone else is coming in. Who is this?
Hi, good morning.
Okay. And sir,
Hi,
this is Judge Bright. You're just checking in. What is your name, sir?
Damon Adams.
Okay. Is he on the docket for today, Miss Edwards?
Yes, Edwards
Wait
is
a
my
minute,
middle
hold
name.
on, sir. I'm speaking to the court clerk, Miss Edwards.
No, he's not, Your Honor.
Okay.
Do you have the case number, sir?
Yes, let me get it. 1 second.
Okay, well, I'm going on to okay. Mr. Ashman and Miss Perkins Moore, you're going to be in the breakout room. I'm getting ready to assign you. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, I gotta hold on.
Ms. Moore, do you have the offer?
No, that's I need to get that.
Oh, for Mr. Ashman?
Yes.
Yes, the offer is if he pleads guilty to case number SP 1095310, that's no insurance misdemeanor, they will dismiss the remaining counts.
Okay. How many other counts does he have?
3 other counts.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, wait a minute, hold on. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets scheduled today. No insurance, driving while license suspended, open alcohol, and no insurance.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, we'll send you to the breakout room, Mr. Ashman. Just hold on a second. Let me. Okay, wait a minute. I need to.
Thanks, sir.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Coffee or something? All right.
Hold on. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello?
Miss Perkins Moore, hold on. I'm trying to do this again. I'm gonna send you the 2, okay?
Okay.
Miss Perkins Moore?
This one says join breakout room 1.
Okay, but I'm okay, I don't wait a minute, let me close that out. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay. Hold on, I'm okay. We'll go to 1, Miss Perkins Moore.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Mr. Ashman, you can join.
Where did I go to more?
You push join in room 1. Yes, just push join. Did you join?
I don't see join.
What do you see, sir? Do you see anything? It should be something. Okay. I think Miss Moore going back. Wait a minute. Did you all see it? Miss Perkins Moore?
No.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
There it is.
There you are. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, Miss Edwards.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who do we have? I see an iPhone and a Michigan caller.
Damon
I need
Adams.
case numbers because they're not on the docket for this morning. Do you have your case number, sir?
Yes.
What's your case number?
SP 103 42981.
What's your last name, sir?
Adams, ADAMS.
First name?
Damon,
What's your first
Damon, DAMON.
Okay, sir, it appears you missed your court date that was scheduled for January 26th.
I apologize. I had it written down for today.
Wait a minute, hold on. He needs to log out and call the courtroom. Can you?
Yes, Your Honor, he can do.
Can you tell him what to call?
Right, court number.
965-2405.
Okay, and sir, you need to log out and call and speak to the clerk regarding your matter. Now, I see this Michigan caller who Michigan caller, I don't, sir.
Hold on.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, it says Michigan caller on here, sir. Do you have a court date today?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name, sir?
Andrew Lee George.
Andrew. Say it again.
Lee George. Andrew Lee George.
Okay. Miss Edwards, do you see him on the docket?
No, he's not on the docket for today, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, you need to call and speak with the court clerk, 965-2405. You have that?
Hello, hey, how you? Hello, how you doing? My name is Tommy White. I had the same court date, and we both was using the Zoom.
Okay, well, you need to call the court clerk. You're not on today's docket, so call the court clerk.
Sir, you're for Judge.
For who?
Judge Jones.
This is Judge Izetta Bright. You're in the wrong Zoom. So you need to call, if it's for Judge Jones, you need to get her number. Do you have her number, Miss Edwards?
I think ask her is this number. Where's the number at? Okay. We've been having problems with getting on Zoom today, and we do have a different number besides this one. And it is 360234000. Oh, there's a zero there.
Miss Edwards.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, would you also give this person that has Michigan caller, Judge, is it, he said Jones. I'm not sure whose docket that should be. Kenyatta Jones, I'm not sure. So maybe you want to speak to him?
Yes.
Okay.
He can call the courtroom, Your Honor. 965-405, sir.
965.
965-2405.
Yes, you're not in this courtroom today.
1 second, we're trying to get it into the phone.
1 second. Okay, 965.
Okay, I'm him.
Can I get the last? Thank you. Can I get the last digits?
The last four up again, ma'am.
2405. 2405.
2405. Thank you.
965-2405, sir. Call that number. Okay, so we're back on the record with Mr. Ashman, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Perkins Moore, wait a minute, who am I hearing? I'm hearing some noises here. Can we mute? Not you, Ms. Moore, Mr. Ashman. Okay. Okay, I need. Okay, Miss Edwards, can I mute you or can you mute yourself? Miss Edwards? I'm hearing noises. Okay, think we're good now. Maybe not. I'm hearing some background. Is that you, Mr. Ashman? Does anyone have anything in the background? The noise? Okay. Miss Edwards. Okay. Miss, now I guess I should be able to mute. But that's not her. I'm hearing. Okay. Mr. Ashman.
Yes.
And Miss Perkins Moore, you're ready to proceed then. Is that
Yes, Your Honor.
This is case number SP 109-53101. The charge is operating a motor vehicle with no insurance, a misdemeanor. Count 2 is driving while license suspended, misdemeanor. There's also count 3, I'm sorry, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. There's also 16222-0051. The charge is no insurance while operating a motor vehicle. All of these cases are scheduled for a pretrial today. Counsel?
Linda Perkins Moore on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And your name for the record, sir?
Nolan Ashman.
Your Honor, excuse me, Mr. Ashman has been advised of his rights. He wishes to avail himself of the recommendation wherein he will be pleading to no insurance with the dismissal of all other matters.
Okay. There were 2 no insurances. Now I need to see which one is he pleading to. Miss Edwards.
Okay. The 310, Your Honor. Last 3 digits, 310, he's pleading to.
310. Okay, 3101. Is that right? 3101. Okay. I have it here. Mr. Ashman, would you raise your right hand and be sworn in, please? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Ashman, you've had an opportunity to speak with Attorney Perkins Moore,
Yes.
and it is my understanding from Ms. Perkins Moore that you wish to enter a plea and ask the court to adopt the recommendation of the Assistant Corporation Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Has anyone promised you anything or threatened you to get you to enter this plea?
No.
And you are entering this plea because you are guilty?
Yes.
You understand that you do have a right to a trial in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
And by entering this plea, you are giving up that right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes.
On SP 109-53101, Ms. Edwards, can you give me the date, place, and time?
Yes, Your Honor. August 5th, 2020, at approximately 7:27 p.m. on Trumbo Street near Merritt Street.
Sir, were you on that date and time at that location as just read in the record?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle at that location?
Yes.
Counsel, you may voir dire as to the facts.
On the date and time as indicated, were you stopped by the police?
Yes.
And were you able to provide them with valid insurance?
No.
Did you have valid insurance?
No.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Court will accept the plea and adopt the recommendation of the Assistant Corporation Counsel and dismiss count 2 and count 3, as well as dismiss 162220051. Counsel, is there anything further before the court imposes a sentence?
Nothing.
Mr. Ashman?
Yes.
The court will not assess any fines and costs today for the court. You may be responsible for Secretary of State fees. Does that show, Ms. Edwards, as to any Secretary of State? Ms. Edwards? She may be on the level.
Yes, Your Honor.
Does it show whether or not Mr. Ashman has any Secretary of State fees?
1 second, Your Honor. Check. No, he does not, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Ashman, then you have no fines and costs. You are all set. The other cases were dismissed. Any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for your patience today.
No problem.
All right. Okay, well, hold on. Is there anything else on the docket, Ms. Edwards?
No, that's all, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on a second, everyone. Then that would take care of all of the matters for the court docket for Wednesday, January 27th, 2021.